Here's how to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Now, if you're on YouTube, either on your phone or a computer, and you wanted to automatically just repeat the exact same video over and over and over again, I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to open up the YouTube app here on my iPhone. You can do this on Android or a computer. And I'm going to tap on a video here. See, this is the video from Mr. Beast that I want to play on repeat automatically. I can tap on the video and then tap on the gear icon at the top right here. And now you can see loop video will allow you to basically play it on repeat. So the default is that it's off. But I can just tap the gear icon again and tap loop video, and you can see at the very bottom it says loop video is on. Now what will happen is after 8 minutes and 2 seconds, it will just repeat this video automatically until I either close the app, select a different video, or turn that loop feature off. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below. I'll catch you on the next one.